Hello. When I'm not down here making sawdust, here are a few other things that I enjoy. Walking in and taking photos in the woods. I find it very relaxing, and heaven knows I definitely need the exercise. Coffee. I have few vices in life. This is definitely one of them. The Tom Sachs Space Program. I don't know why I like it. Does art need a reason for you to like it? Discuss in the comments, I suppose. So what I want to do is create something which encapsulates all these things. It's a brew kit that I can take with me into the woods, but it's also Space Program. It's a In-Situ Caffeination module, or an ISCM. This old Japanese flight case is what I'm using to make the kit. And in order to create, first we must destroy. All this lovely red velour, it's got to go. Much better.
Sticks all, because it sticks all things. Genius.
So while the glue's drying on this, let's have a look at what's going inside it. First order of business, fuel. You need fuel to make the flames, to heat the water, to brew the coffee. With fuel you need a burner. This is overkill for what I need in terms of size and weight, but it's the one I've got, so it's the one I'm going to use. Going to need a mug. This is a nice enamel mug. It's second hand, it's a little bit chipped, but it works as a vessel. To create the brew, I got one of these, a fold out affair, with gauze rather than a paper filter, and that sits on there like that. Water in. Speaking of water, gonna need a kettle and something to keep the coffee in. These I got off Amazon, which are small milled pots. Now on Amazon, these are described as being for herbs. I think they're for drugs. But coffee is a drug, so that's fine. I'm pretty pleased with the form of this, but to test the function, it needs a field test. I could do that in here, but where's the fun in that? To the woods!
Cheers. Better than any takeaway. Not that there's any takeaways around here.
I could have bought a thermos, but we do these things not because they are easy, but because they are hard. To coin a phrase, I suppose.